Hi everyone, my name is Danny Topaz and I'm pleased to host this News Now Health Update. I'm the program assistant for the Belmont Wellness Coalition. My colleague Lisa Gibalerio, a public health educator, oversees the BWC, which is a program of Wayside Youth. Today we are discussing artificial intelligence. Lisa, first of all, what do we even mean when we talk about AI?
Thanks, Danny. So in this conversation, we're going to talk about AI as a kind of technology that has been trained to understand everyday language and provide us with information. But first, we need to distinguish AI interfaces with embedded AI. So AI interfaces are things like Chat GPT or Midjourney, and that's where you ask the technology a direct question and it generates content for you. Embedded AI is where AI is used behind the scenes. So in Instagram or TikTok, for example, AI is used to drive your feed, but you don't talk directly to it. You might not even know it's there, but it's everywhere.
That's a really important distinction. So how are teens interacting with AI?
Well, it depends on the teen, but most websites that they click on are now using AI. And again, that's whether they're talking directly to like Chat GPT or using apps with AI embedded. So we know that kids are using this technology to help with their schoolwork. And because AI is like Google or Wikipedia on steroids, it's great for generating content. And it could be used inappropriately if a young person turns in an AI response and claims it as their own.
And has the school department issued a policy around AI use?
So that's a great question, and not yet. They are in the process of developing one. So in the meantime, parents need to, be talking with their kids about the fact that AI is great to complement their learning and to enhance their understanding of a topic, but that it shouldn't be used as a shortcut to replace the learning process. And kids need to know that even if they are using AI appropriately, it's important to realize that the AI models are only as good as the information that they're trained on, which means that they can sometimes generate inaccurate information. They can sometimes make stuff up, Danny, which I didn't really know the word for that, which is a hallucination. So kids and all of us really need to be fact checking that information that AI generates for us.
Okay, that makes sense. What can you say about the risk that AI pose for teens?
Well, they need to safeguard their private data. Information can be used insidiously to identify teens, to access their personal accounts. So parents need to be talking with their kids about being cautious around sharing personal information online. And there are other dangers as well. AI has made it incredibly easy to create images or videos that appear to be authentic. So it's really hard now to even know what's real.
Wow, so how might that impact teens?
Well, they're getting, they could potentially get harassed by what's called deep fakes, which is, what I referred to before, which is their voice or image could be used and made to say or do things that never happened in reality. And when this happens, it can be really humiliating. It can cause social isolation and cause damage to their reputations.
That's really scary. What can parents do to help their teens navigate AI?
Well, I would suggest that parents begin by understanding how their kids are using it, what apps they're using. Parents can discuss critical thinking with their teenagers, how to use this tool for academic growth and not as a source of dependence. It's really a daunting field, Danny, for many parents, and AI is here to stay.
Thank you, Lisa. This has been incredibly helpful. And thank you for listening to our News Now Health Update. We will see you next time.